Within the GAA, my one and only role really is in handball. I was born and reared right beside the handball alley here, and as a little lad I would have jumped across the ditch when I was supposed to be working in the field out there. I played football as well, of course, but handball was always my main sport. From coach to secretary, chairman, I would have covered all the roles within the club and within the county. I suppose there are a number of achievements that I would look back on. Certainly Donal Rinn winning the World Under-15 One-Wall Championship in Portland, USA would have been the highlight for me. And there is one more to come. That would be the finishing of this project here, the building of our new 60 by 30 handball court. Well, the GAA in a community it really is a great start for young people. And say something like handball, it gives them the opportunity to be able to stand up on their own, fight for their own corner, and they learn very early to accept defeat if that's what it is, and to go on then to be a good winner if that's what they're able to achieve. It's a wonderful organisation that brings everybody in the club area and the parish together. It's a focal point for the people of the local area.